An Egyptian court on Tuesday overturned a death sentence against ousted Islamist President Mohamed Morsi and ordered a retrial, official news agency MENA reported. Egypt's highest degree court ordered that Morsi and 5 co-defendants, including the supreme guide of the now outlawed Muslim Brotherhood, Mohamed Badie, will be retried. Morsi was sentenced to death in June 2015 in connection with a mass jailbreak during the country's 2011 uprising that toppled then-President Hosni Mubarak. Morsi was overthrown by the army in response to mass protests against his rule in 2013.